Take a look at this page. It has gained over 1.4 million followers with only 52 reels, which is incredibly insane. If you take a deep look, you can see their every reel has hundreds of thousands of views. And this particular reel of theirs went completely viral with more than 23 million views currently. Today in this video, I will show you exactly how you can make these viral anime videos in few minutes, so watch the video till the end without skipping. Let's start the video with a sample of what we would be creating today.
लड़ाई हो जाए तो क्या करें? नंबर 1, अगर गलती आपकी है तो वहां झुक जाओ. नंबर 2, अगर गलती तुम्हारी नहीं है तो मुंह से ज्यादा हाथ चलना चाहिए.
Let's divide this reel into two main parts, an AI voiceover telling manipulation strategies and anime clips as visuals to grab the attention of the audience and hook them. Since this reel is basically in Hindi or maybe Urdu language, so I will teach you how to create reels like this in any language you want to. So our first step would be to get our script. For that we will simply use ChatGPT. Type here, provide me some video ideas in manipulation niche. ChatGPT will simply start spitting out the ideas. We will simply use these ideas to generate our script. Now what you need to do is simply select any topic that you like. For instance, we will select this one. Now again type, provide me 3 short points on this topic, then paste your topic and press enter. Here ChatGPT will provide you exactly what you need. And now if you want to generate your script in Hindi or Urdu or any other language, what you need to do is again right now translate these points in this language, then write the language name and it will translate those points for you in that language. For now we will keep them in English. Now pay close attention, only use these manipulative strategies for self-improvement and don't try anything negative with these strategies because your audience may start to hate you for that. So just be positive. Okay, so now let's generate the voiceover. For that we will use 11 labs. Just copy up your script and paste it here. Now you can either select default voiceover characters from here or you can simply choose a different and unique voiceover. For that click on voices from the left side and then go to voice library. Now from here you can choose any voiceover character that you like. To add any character in your list, for that simply click here, then click on add voice and then just click on finish. And then go back to the home page and from here you can see our voiceover character is added. Now after adding voiceover character, from below click on generate button and then just wait, and after your voiceover is ready, download from here. Okay guys, we got the voiceover. Now it's time for getting anime clips. It's simple, go to YouTube and search for anime clips. Well, you can search for any anime you like. Now from here you can download the clips. At least download 4 to 5 different videos. Now don't just download all the videos from the same creator. And one thing to keep in mind is download clips from only small creators that have less than 100k subscribers. Well, there is no problem in getting clips from big creators, but you may have chances of getting copyright claims, so why taking the risk? Now we have the voiceover as well as our visuals ready. It's time to put them all together in an editing software. Well, I am gonna use CapCut. You can use any software you like. Simply click on import and import all your materials, then place the voiceover on the timeline and remove the empty spaces from the timeline, then adjust the voiceover together. Now first change the ratio. From here select 9:16 and then place your clips on the timeline and zoom the clips. Now you don't need to zoom them on full screen. Zoom them just like this, leave some spaces empty, it gives a cinematic vibe. Now what you need to do is watch the clips and keep the interesting and engaging parts and trim the rest. Do the same with all of the clips, and once you have arranged all the clips, then it's time to add some transitions. Go to transitions and drag and drop transitions between your clips. Do the same for all the clips. Once done, go to text and then click on auto captions, then change the language into English and then click on generate and wait for a few seconds, then go to template and choose these fast captions because they are so engaging. Now I would change the color of the captions into yellow and keep the captions in the middle of the screen. Now to give our video more cinematic look, go to effects, then go to opening and closing effects. Then choose this horizontal open effect and drag it on start of the timeline and keep its length very short. Then go to the end of the timeline and drag and drop horizontal close effect and keep its length short. Now let's enhance quality of our video. For that go to filters and search for clear 2 filter and drag and drop this filter on the timeline and stretch it on the complete timeline. Okay, so now for the branding of our Instagram theme page, go to text and drag and drop default text on the timeline, stretch it on the complete timeline, then in here type your channel name, select the font you want, and then drag the name somewhere here, then scroll down and turn opacity down between 30 to 40%. Now the video is almost ready, but now just to show you guys as an example, I have added this random audio on the video. You can choose any audio you want to add in your reel while uploading on Instagram. So here it says our video is ready, simply export it now, and let's see the results.
Spot manipulation, warning signs and red flags. Behavior changes. Watch out for sudden changes like excessive praise or emotional manipulation, indicating attempts to control for personal gain. Lack of transparency. Be cautious of secretive individuals withholding crucial information to manipulate perceptions. Boundary violations. Notice when someone consistently disregards your boundaries or coerces you, leading to discomfort.